All right, what's up, people? I know I'm having a lot of fun today. So, how should we vector this? Now, what I would do is I would vector this as a tree of life. I would say that this is a tree of life. Okay, so up here, you would have Kether, the point, and then the Ein Sof going up. These sigils, I think those mean something. I don't know what they mean, but this is my vectoring. So then after that, you have the breakdown into this, which is the hebdomad, or like it's the sevenfold way. So then you have the light coming down, and then it starts manifesting. And when it manifests, it starts breaking, and then it goes over here and here. These are constellations. These are definitely constellations of stars. So then we can see like the gravitational pull as it comes down. And then you get into the sphere of manifestation, and you see how it's broken. You see the break here? That break is uneven, right? Right? What side does it come from? Okay, so then we get the spinning wheel. That'll be the wheel of samsara. And then we have over here, we have Set. This is obviously Set, if I'm not mistaken. And this would probably be Apophis, who is, you can see it's kind of a monstrous guy. Now, who this person is. Now, I have an idea about who that person is. Now, you'll see that something pops up magically to pass what I would think is going to be Set, a weapon that he needs to defeat Apophis, right? But who is this guy? Who is number one? You see, because there are no other numbers, so it's not spinning. Or are there other numbers? Is that a number? Is that a number? I don't think so. I think this number is, unique on purpose. Who is this person? Who is this person? If you understand. Now, are we going to get to... This is actually the beginning of his actual grimoire. I'm not going to read it right now, but I will show it to you. Hopefully, you'll be able to see it. So this is, it's called, he calls it a prom. It basically means a preamble, or like something you do before whatever it is that your working is entailing. And so what he's trying to do is all of this machinery should try to punch through. Who is this person here? Now what you'll notice is that this is somebody that's sitting... Look, I'm not going to do it for you. I want you to tell me who it is. I'll tell you who it is after you tell me who it is. Because the funny thing about, I've fallen in love with this book. I have so fallen in love with this book. This book is a journey. 1000%. You see what I'm saying? Do you understand how this whole thing maps onto the whole other thing? When you get into the lines, like if you... Where's the other one? Where's the other one? With the lines. Did I get to it yet? Or was that the one that I went fast forwarded to? I think I fast forwarded to that one. It's not this one. This one's just pure chaos. There are no lines. That's kind of the point. So, but no, I fast forwarded. I guess I did. Who the fuck knows? But here we are. Here we are. Where would you put yourself? Here? Or would you deign to put yourself here? Here? Now, you see, when you talk about the two sides of the tree, you're going to be seeing, like, mercy and what? I don't know. Justice? I don't know what they call it. I've never really fucking figured that whole thing out. You still try to, though. But you'll notice the disparity there. It's almost like this side is trying to build a box or a structure of some sort, like a structure down, and then this side is just trying to not. And then you'll notice, like I said, 2 constellations. I love the Holy Grail constellation. It's awesome. And then who is that? Now we know what this is doing. We know. I think I'm about 1,000% sure that's representing Apophis, and I'm about 1,000% sure that that's the underworld giving Set the power to defeat Apophis. But who is that? Riddle me that, Batman.